You're about to discover why is juicing diet for beginners so popular. The benefits of freshly juiced fruits and vegetables are amazing. The taste just can't be beaten. And with a new generation of juice machines, it's quicker, easier and more affordable than ever before. The juicing basics. First, let's address two common questions. What's the difference between juice and a smoothie? And can juice be made with a blender? Special juice appliances separate the juice from everything else, which is known as the pulp and comprised mostly of fiber. Pulp adds calories, so juice is a favorite for weight loss and body cleansing. By contrast, a smoothie is everything. Juice, skin and all. That is why it's popular for detoxifying and as a digestive aid with its higher fiber content. Smoothies are made with a high-powered blender. Your home blender won't do the job unless you don't mind a grainy mess that tastes more like an uncooked soup than a delicious drink. However, if you have the time, you can use your blender and then pull the blended liquid through a coffee filter. Whether you drink juice or smoothie, both are fantastically healthy. Why juice? More and more people are turning to fresh juice to improve their health. If you've traveled often, you may have noticed a franchise known as Joe and the Juice that's as popular as Starbucks in Europe and is making its way into the US as well. And speaking of Starbucks, you've probably noticed they've started carrying fresh juice. Over 1,000 scientific studies show that diets rich in fruits and vegetables, such as the Mediterranean diet, reduce the risk of developing many illnesses, including diabetes, heart disease and even cancer. Certain combinations of fruits and vegetables are now known to effectively treat certain diseases such as type 2 diabetes. And that's not all. Juicing can even save you money. You can stop buying multivitamins and other nutritional supplements because fresh homemade juice gives you all your daily nutritional needs and much more. Even the best brand of bottled juice doesn't come close to delivering all the nutrients found in homemade juice because any juice sold commercially must by law be heated. A process known as pasteurization, which kills many nutrients. Store it, and you will lose even more nutrients. Plus many juices add sugar, colors, stabilizers and other additives, which also kill nutrients. Drink juice or eat raw foods? There are benefits to drinking your daily recommended servings of veggies and fruits, instead of eating them as solid raw foods. Liquids are absorbed by the body more quickly and completely because the absorption of the many vitamins, minerals and other nutrients starts right away as soon as they enter your mouth. Solid food takes a slower path of absorption through the stomach and intestines, and unless you chew your food thoroughly, you don't get as much nutrition from raw foods as you do from its liquid form. Drink juice or eat cooked food? Cooked food kills many nutrients. For instance, enzymes play a key role in metabolism and are mainly found in raw foods, but most are lost when cooked, processed and preserved. Enzymes are particularly important for those trying to lose weight as they help the body burn more calories. Interestingly, some nutrients are enhanced by steaming. As for example lycopene in tomatoes. Juice benefits. Increased energy and weight loss are not the only benefits of fresh juice. Recent research suggests that drinking fresh juice can also delay the effects of aging. Specifically, fresh fruits and vegetables contain compounds known as antioxidants, which neutralize free radicals in your body. Free radicals are responsible not only for aging, but also for many degenerative diseases such as cataracts, high blood pressure and even cancer. Fight disease. Let's explore how juicing fights one of our most common and chronic diseases, diabetes. Recent research indicates that certain raw fruits and vegetables nourish the body while stabilizing blood sugar levels in ways that cooked food cannot. In the past, doctors cautioned people with diabetes to stay away from sugar of any kind, even those found in fresh fruits and vegetables. That recommendation has been proven wrong. Researchers have found that specific nutrients such as vitamins A, B, E and the minerals like iron and potassium, which are abundant in fresh fruits and vegetables, are great to naturally manage this disease. Vitamin B7, which is found in mangoes, nectarines and peaches, helps you to digest foods and activates enzymes, which are particularly helpful for diabetics. Additionally, manganese, which is found in celery, garlic, carrots, cruciferous vegetables, parsley, spinach and beet greens, helps to reduce insulin resistance overall and improve the metabolism of sugar. Juicer machines. What's the best juicer machine? You can easily begin with an inexpensive juicer sold online or at your local kitchen supply store. We highly recommend the newer generation of machines known as slow juicers, because they reduce the amount of heat and oxygen in your juice. And we now know that these two factors kill nutrients. They are also easier to clean and can last much longer. Please let us know in the comments below if you have ever tried to make your own juice and which juicer you used. We would like to really hear your opinion. And if you have never bought juicer before, don't worry. In the description below this video, we will give you the best 5 juicer machines that you can buy easily online. If you have found this information about juicing diet for beginners helpful, please like this video. It really means a lot to us. And if you think it might help one of your friends, don't be shy and share this video with them as well. That way we all can help people we care about to live happier life. And if you didn't do so yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive more informational videos that will improve your health and lifestyle. Thank you for watching this juicing diet for beginners video. And we will be very happy to see you around more often. Have a nice and healthy day.